Good day. Let's find out how to make such chart with concrete department, IT for example, using a filter function. For instance, we have such chart with employees, department and salary. There is a big chart and we need to filter it by different departments. How to do this? For this, we have to type such formula. So let's type here filter. After that, we should select the array where exactly our data are present. Fix it, comma, department. Let's choose the range, this one, column C, also fix it, and type in equals to IT. Now what we have filtered all employees that are working in IT department, so we have only 3 persons. The same operation we can make for other departments just by copying this chart. As you can see, after copying this chart, our values up here didn't change because we fixed the cells. So if you would like to see how many employees are working in finance department, for example, let's change here for finance and press enter. 4 persons. Fine. But what if we want to filter employees with the salaries that are, for example, above 3,000? What we should do for this? For this, we have to change here the formula by separating this value and multiply it by the range where the salary is present. Also fix it, more than 3,000. Press enter. Now we can see that in finance department 2 employees had the salary more than 3,000. Okay, I think this function was very useful. Use it at your practice, subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, bye bye.